Hey guys, in this video I will compare Typedream versus WordPress. So basically I will give an in-depth comparison about the two software tools. Basically we are going to answer the question which software is better. First of all, I want to say there is no specific software better. It all comes down on your needs. So what do you want? Or yeah, if you have big dreams, big plans with your business, if you really want to scale it, maybe this software is better. But if you just want a website for your site or so, maybe that website or um, software is better. So it all depends on your needs. Based on the information that I will give you in this video, you can make a conclusion for yourself. So first, let's talk about the features. So first of all, auto update. Typedream does not offer auto update, something that can be quite useful if you have a busy schedule. But luckily WordPress offers that. Content import export, both Typedream and WordPress offers that. Drag and drop system, which is quite easy. They both offer that. Landing pages, web forms, yes, they both offer that. Um, Now, newsletter management. So, if you have a big business or you want to scale your business or you just want new clients, I think a newsletter is a must. Newsletters are great ways to gain clients. It's very nice way of growing organically, and it's something quite underrated. But I recommend you, starting a newsletter if you uh, have time, over and you want to gain some extra clients, extra leads. But sadly, Typedream does not offer this just yet. You can use external tools, in Typedream, but if you just want to build in, WordPress offers that. All right, now online booking system, both Typedream and WordPress offers that, as well as an online store builder. They both offer that, which is quite nice. So you can just build your e-commerce store, from WordPress or Typedream. Now SEO management, Typedream and WordPress offers that, which is nice. Of course, you want to be found in Google, and that's easy to do, or it's possible with Typedream and WordPress. Now surveys, if you have if you want to ask, your visitors, your um, clients questions on your website. You cannot do that within Typedream. There are no plugins or extensions you can install within Typedream, but in WordPress you can, which is nice. And what you see is what you get editor. So if you prefer that, it's not possible within Typedream, but in WordPress it is. But I don't think it's really necessary because Typedream is a very easy editor as well. So now let's look at the technical details of both tools. So access monitoring not available in Typedream as well as WordPress, as well as business hours they are not available. Online both available, and the headquarters, the location, address, both Typedream and WordPress are located in San Francisco. Now this is very important. IPA. An IPA is available for WordPress, but there's no IPA available for Typedream. And I think that's very important if you really want to scale your business. I think it's very useful for in the future maybe to have an IPA available. So keep that in mind. Now let's look at the deployment. So SaaS, web, and cloud, both Typedream and WordPress available. Mobile, Android, mobile, iOS available for WordPress, but not for Typedream. Windows, BlackBerry not available for Typedream and WordPress. Deployment for Windows and Mac available for WordPress, but not for Typedream. Now, what type of customers can go to Typedream and WordPress? Basically, if you're an individual, freelancer, large enterprise, medium business, or small business, you can go to WordPress. WordPress offers a lot of options for each customer. So WordPress is the go-to if you don't know if you're going to be a large enterprise soon or just an individual, it doesn't matter. You can go to WordPress. Now, if you are a freelancer or a large enterprise, you sadly cannot go to Typedream because they do not offer the types of service, and they do not do they not have this do not have the stuff to yeah satisfy you as a large enterprise or as a freelancer. Now let's look at the pricing of both softwares. So the pricing model, free trial. So WordPress offers a free trial, which is nice. But Typedream, yeah, does kind of offer also a free trial, but it's called freemium. So basically, freemium on premium. So you can just launch your site completely for free, just like in a premium uh, yeah, plan. But the thing is, you will have a branded domain name. So basically, once you want to have your own domain name and a bunch of more premium features, you need to upgrade to the premium plan instead of the free plan. But you still can launch your site within Typedream completely for free if you want to. Now, Typedream and WordPress do not offer a one-time license. Uh, they both are a subscription-based pricing model, so you need to pay monthly or yearly within Typedream or WordPress. And both tools are quotation based, so basically, yeah, or both are not quotation based. Sorry. So let's now look at the integration. So what kind of integrations do the platforms offer? So Typedream does not offer any integrations. So this is quite annoying because, yeah, if you want to, yeah, I think this is very important if you want to integrate with, for example, email marketing software or customer support chats software. I think it's very important to integrate with external tools because, yeah, they are specialized in that. For example, Zendesk or Live Agent or something like that. Yeah, you can do that within WordPress. So yeah, there are a lot of integrations you can do within WordPress, but for example, Live Agent, Active Campaign, WooCommerce, Live Chat, Google Analytics, Campaign Monitor, Shopify, MailChimp, and Constant Contact are available within WordPress. Also a lot more, but these are one of the most popular. So now let's look at the individual comparison, so more in depth. So the technical details of Typedream first. So the support is online. The customer type are individuals, medium businesses, small businesses. IPA is sadly not available. The location is based in San Francisco, California. Deployment is SaaS web and cloud. Official website is typedream.com. Category is website builder software. And now the technical details of WordPress. The support is online. Customer type. They offer literally everything: individual, freelancer, large enterprises, uh, small businesses, medium businesses, and large enterprises. All right, IPA is available. The location is based in San Francisco, headquarters. Deployment SaaS Web Cloud, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and they are a website builder software and a content management software, so CMS. All right, now let's look at the monthly pricing of Typedream. So what you can do is you can just choose the free plan. So you can build unlimited pages with only one publishable page. So you can just build your dream site with all the features you want, but you can only publish one page and it is a branded domain. But when you decide to upgrade, for example, to the launch plan, you pay $15 per month, build monthly, and you get unlimited publishable pages, custom domain name, a team collaboration, SEO, metadata, and code injection. So that's pretty cool. And this is the WordPress monthly plan. So again, you can just choose the free plan, or you can upgrade to the $7 per month plan, to the personal plan. Uh, and that is also, you get a bunch of advantages such as free domain name for 1 year, available one built yearly, the best in class hosting, remove WordPress.com ads, and collected payments and unlimited email support. Or you can just choose another plan such as premium, business, or even enterprise plans. And when you want to save a bunch of money, you can choose the to pay yearly instead of monthly, and it saves you $3 monthly. And the same for WordPress. As you can see, it saves you as well as it saves you $3 per month as well as with Typedream. So now let's look at the conclusion. So like I said in the beginning, it all depends on your needs. What do you want with your business? Do you want a simple website, etc.? It all comes out on your needs, but I will give you a conclusion based on my information. so Typedream or WordPress. If you have big plans and goals with your business and you really want to scale it, then choose WordPress. But if you want to build a website for your side hustle or small business and you don't have any debt or you don't have that much experience in building websites, then choose Typedream. If you want to get started with Typedream or WordPress, please check the link out in the description. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.